Alright, here we go. Subterfuge Box Break number 82. It's part 2, where we find the balance and I give back to you guys. Because, hey, why not? It's only money. Starting off with a box of Crown from 04. I like this stuff. I'm going naked-handed. Not doing the base on this. Marc-Andre Fleury is the card in here you want. Who has Pittsburgh anyway? Kynes probably, right? Yep. Hanzus, Wisnowski. Allison Koivu, we got Marty Brodeur for Phyllis. Spesa. Jason Spezza for Ottawa out of 850. And PJ. McDonald, Mario Lemieux. King Kobasu. Spacer. Arneson. Oh, Mikey Moe for the Dallas Stars in the drop team. All for Kynes out of 850. Mikey Moe. Oh, and we got for the Ottawa Senators and PJ Aucoin, Vaclav Varada out of 99, number 36. Georges Laraque looking really intelligent. Me hockey player. Tchaikovsky. Oh, look at this. Look at that patch. Matthew Lombardi for Calgary. And Von Jaron, numbered 195 of 220. Very nice. Two color. Ass Piper is kicking herself. And base. McEachern, McGinnis, Jason Arnott. No good. Lords of the Rink. Another Ottawa hit for Marian Hossa. Not numbered. Spesa. Oh, and Joe Sakic for Todd out of 850. Like that one. Yeah, it's McGillis and Svetenko, Dumont, Bertuzzi. Royal Portraits, Jordan Tutu for Nashville and Von Jaron. Ugly Spacer. And, Felix Potvin for Boston. And Sure Shot. Or no. Bruin for Life out of 850. The Cat. Good stuff. Clark, Morrow, Forsberg, Marchant. Here we got for the Islanders, Rick DiPietro for Stock Exchanges. Not numbered. Spacer. Kevin Weeks for Carolina and KCJ out of 850. More base. Vasicek and Nylander, Rolly, DiPietro, Spesa, Gabrick. Oh, and Jaromir Jagr for Esper in Washington out of 850. Like that one, Esper. Next pack. Big Al McGinnis and another parallel. Dick Tarnstrom for the Pittsburgh Penguins out of number 10 out of 99. Turek Tchaikovsky, and oh, there you go, Todd. Eric Lindros for KCJ 99 and the Rangers. That card's out of 650. And base. There's some nice stuff in this. I like this stuff. Sanderson and Kuba. Ronek, Chichu. Lords of the Rink. Sergei Fedorov for Anaheim. And Justin. Spacer. And Iggy out of 850 for Calgary. And Piper getting madder and madder. Johansson and Chelios. Nash, McLean. And we have our first global conquest between Montreal and Colorado. PJ and Golf Nut. We'll roll that for that in a minute. Spacer. J.S. Jaguar out of 850 for the Ducks. And Marcus Naslund. So, 1 to 15, it goes to the Habs. Anything higher goes to Golf Nut. Number 5. So, this one goes to PJ. Yeah, you can have it. Just message me later, PJ. Because I'll forget. Madden, Hemsky, Weeks, Jaguar. And for Ottawa again. Gauntlet of Glory, Patrick Lalime. Numbered. A little bit of a ding corner on it too. Spacer, Eddie Belfour for Kynes at 850. We got Pekka, Weiss, Mess, Upshaw, Spacer, Burns, Blake, Roman Czech-Manic for the Kings. That one's going to Sarge at 850. And Spezza. And Von Charon's late again. Look at Zdeno Chara, Gabrick, Lalim, Kolzig, and for the Atlanta Thrashers, aka Winnipeg Jets, and Mrs. O, you got Ilya Kovalchuk. Scott Gomez for the Devils. There's a free card for Phyllis at 850. Niedermeyer, Leclerc, Mark Denis, Shanahan. Royal Portraits, Eric Stahl for Carolina and KCJ. That's not numbered. We got Glenn Murray for Boston and Bruins for Life. That's out of 850. Hey, Vaughn, Jaron. McDonald, Adam Foote, Hackett, Savard, and here we go. Saku Koivu for PJ. It's a mem card, and it's out of 625. Nice one. More base. Pull these a little closer. Tarnquist, McKenna, Theodore, Pronger, and for the Yotes, Sean Burke, Gauntlet of Glory. And JP Dumont for Buffalo, out of 850. Okay. Samsonov, Domfus, Ziggy Palfy, Iggy, Floor Spacer, Vincent Lecavalier out of 850 for Tampa. And stock exchanges, and Vincent Lecavalier normal. Lidman, Waugh, Gerber, Luongo, Lords of the Rink, Joe Thornton for Boston. Philip Sauve for Colorado out of 850. Bell, Salo, O'Neill, McGillney. Another random between Minnesota and Ottawa. And Scotty Upshall out of 850 for Nashville. So, 1 to 15. Anything else? There's a 10. This card goes to Minnesota. And last pack of this part of the bonus. I gotta get a move on here. Satan and Weiss, Tchaikovsky, and there we go. We got a Vincent LeCavalier, Mem, for stock exchanges. That's cards out of 625. Richards, Biron, and Waite. Oh, that's not a bad bonus box. And it's gonna get a little bit better right now because I'm just gonna crack another one of these ones for you guys. Not the hot box. I hope it's not the hot box. Oh, excuse the quick fingers. We got enough. We got a card out of 25 already. It's not a hot box, and these cards are all dull. Duchesne, Stahl, Morrow, Richards. Wow, these bases are all ruined. Oh, nice. For the San Jose Sharks and All for Kinds, you got a Canada die cut of Patrick Marleau with a nice teal swatch. Numbered 25 out of 25. Nice bonus card for you, buddy. At least I got the hot box alive. Might be that 643 box. Or Mondays or Tuesdays. This pack's all base. Here we got Rhyme Minister for Kinds. Mika and Lundqvist. Well, the next 3 Mondays and Tuesdays, and I have got the 643 cereal box. Here's our auto is Scribbins for Toronto and Kinds. Spacer. I don't know if Peaks wants that 643 box or what. But if it's the hot box, it's going to be pricey. Stamkos, Luongo, Pacioretty, Bacchus, and a Sardine Sister Red Mirror. Red 175, 199. And I got blog failure, so I'm just going to refresh it real quick here. Hi guys, I'm back. We got Kopitar, Lidstrom, Grabo, Doan, and Glencross. And for the Boston Bruins, Patrice Bergeron out of 399. Why? Oh, okay. Let me know when you're back, guys. The video is getting long. I'll just put this actually over here. Datsuk Nash. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, we got Ron Francis, Eternals. Spacer, And a couple base. 3 more packs left. Oh, private signings. Got Burrows, Ladd, Sagan, and Clutterbuck. Spacer. And for the Columbus Blue Jackets, you got Derek Dorsett. It's going to Kynes. 2 packs left. Brassard, something weird. Hemsky, Roy, and oh, it's a throwback thread. Joel Quenneville for the Colorado Rockies, which go to New Jersey, I believe. I'll check it out. And last pack. Gianta, Bork, Crawford, Spacer, Briere, and Gagne. And when you guys were broken, we popped up a Ron Francis Eternals and a Bergeron Fabric of the Game. So. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the break. Please stop bidding so high, so I have to have all these boxes on hand. I'll see you on Monday and Tuesday.